Hello and welcome to Thor-is-testing on this second edition of the tactical ration bag test here. Today we're going to test the Echo. It is a 1 meal ration or a 8 hour, 12 hour ration, whatever you want. Last time I tested a 3 meal ration. This time it is a 1 meal ration. It's only 450 grams. The same information here on the front as the other. I'm just gonna pack it out and see what's in it, but that's not all. I'm also gonna test some other things from Tactical Foodpack here. This is a tactical fire pot. This is for heating up the meals. I'm gonna test this one. And I am also gonna test this, which is an instant heater here without fire, and I'll see how this works. This is also from tactical ration bag, and see how that works. So actually I have taken another of their one-time meals here and this meal in here, and I'm gonna try to warm them in each of these ways that are possible here. So I'll just pack it out and get back. Now let's see what's in this 1 hour meal here. We have beef spaghetti bolognese and a meal. We have the rye bread that also was in the other bag. I think that's cool. It was good bread. Still no spread, but okay. We have a spoon, we have disinfection wipe, we have regular beef jerky. Last time it was turkey, mustard jerky. This is regular, I'm gonna taste this. Then we have a tropical drink here, energy drink. I love that. That was one of the things that I said in the last one. I was kind of missing some drinks here. There's a drink here, and there's also one of these cool shakes. This is fresh green. I'm gonna take a look at this. There was also a shake in the 24-hour meal, but this is different kind, and I'm gonna take that. So I'm just gonna prepare, like I said before, I will try to prepare in a fire pot and in this tactical heating bag. Two different meals. I have another meal here from Tactical Foodpack. It is mashed potatoes and bacon. So I'll just prepare and see how it goes, and I will be filming along the way how it works with this tactical food pot here. I'll be back. Okay, let's start with the tactical food pack here, pot here, and as you can see here, there is some kind of jelly component down here. It says that it can be reused 10 times, and just to light it up, place the food here with water in, boil it up, and let it stay for, wait for 10 minutes. Also, it should, of course, you cannot set it directly on it. So they recommend you use some cups, and I have some of my old cups here that I have just placed here, as you can see. So it is just, I will light it and place it on top and see how it goes at heating it up. I'll be back. As you can see here, it is all lit up. Maybe it's hard to see, but there is a flame in there. It's lit up, and I'm just gonna wait until it boils. I'll time it so you can see how long it will take to make it boil, and let's see how it goes. Now I have tried the tactical fire pot. Now I'm going to take the tactical heater bag here. It also can be used 10 times. There are these heater elements inside. You can buy them spare on the side. You prepare the food with cold water, put the heater element in, put water inside it to this line with the food in, and let it stand for 15 to 20 minutes. That's quite a time, but I'm gonna try it and see how it goes. Okay, now food is prepared for the beef spaghetti bolognese. The tactical heater bag it had to go for 15 to 20 minutes, so it's still boiling over here. I'm just having it over here, and I will just show you here that it is steaming and boiling in here. So I'm gonna taste that later, but I thought we could start by testing this 8-hour meal here, one meal, 8-hour ration. Let's start with the disinfection wipe. These are an excellent brand. I've tried them before. I tried them in the last tactical bag. They are good quality. There are plenty of alcohol in them, so you really get this nice feeling of getting disinfected. Let's see what's in here. The beef bolognese, we have the fruit drink, and we have the core shake, and we have some jerky and bread. Let's start with the beef spaghetti here. It took about 8 minutes to boil it up with this tactical fire pot. It worked well. There was plenty of fire in it, and it boiled up to a nice degree here, and then it has just been standing here and waiting for 8 to 10 minutes just to sip in. And let's try it here. The spaghetti bolognese. That is delicious. The spaghetti in here, as you can see, are not over soggy or anything like that. They still have a little bit of al dente, I think it's called. You have plenty of meat in here. You have, as you can see here, you have nice taste. You have spices in here. This is just delicious. Simple. No big thing, but a really nice, spaghetti bolognese with beef here. I'm enjoying that immensely. Let's try it with some of this bread on. And these breads are in excellent condition. They are vacuum packed, and they're not as dry or as moist as some of these other rye bread. I'm just gonna try it with some spaghetti bolognese here on it. Sorry. Just a nice taste to the rye bread. Nothing to say about this. Wholesome bread, food, what's not to like. Let's try this tropical drink here. It is with wild berries, and these containers, you just pour it in, and you have a drink here. Shake it well. You have a drink. I'm just gonna try it out of the cup here. And as you can see here, you can drink it right out of the cup. I think it is a great idea, so you don't have to have cups or anything like that by the side. And these cold drinks are easy to drink from. The hotter drinks are more difficult because you have to be aware that you don't boil yourself. This is a very nice taste to it. It is not strong at all. It is light and easy to drink. You can taste the berries without any problems in here, and it's just a nice cold beverage. I really enjoy that. Let's try some of these beef jerkies, and these beef jerkies is the original kind. Okay, I'm just gonna try it here, see how it is. Yeah, you have to excuse me. It takes a bit time to chew these, and I actually think that's the cool thing about having these as a snack, because you get filled. You can feel it when you eat it. You can eat it on the go, and you have something to chew on, and they taste excellent, and you get a lot of protein in it. I think it's great, and they taste very well here. Nothing bad about this. I'm just gonna shake this core shake, and this is fresh green. And I was thinking, fresh green, what the? And that is apples and spinach and peppermint and lemon. Okay, that must be fresh, and I am looking forward to that. I think it's cool. It's a whole new thing here. I've never tasted anything like that before. And as you can see in here, it is green, and I'm just going to take a sip of the back here. That is just, I like these shakes. No sugar added, a lot of protein, and actually you get a really nice taste to it, and you have a good taste afterwards, and you can actually both taste the different things in here, and really enjoy that. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for the tactical heater bag to get done with the mashed potatoes, and I'll be back with the last meal here of the day. We are back with the mashed potatoes with bacon. I have given this 17.5 minutes. It said between 15 and 20 minutes, and it is. I've just tried it here. Just get up the spoon here. This is not as hot as I would have liked it to be, but I may have thinking that it is because of the mashed potatoes. The spaghetti bolognese is much more wet, so it can be much more heated by this way. This may not heat that well in this tactical bag, and I could have given it 20 minutes. That could have also been the difference, but it's hot. And look at this. This actually both looks and feels like mashed potatoes. I'm just going to taste it. It tastes excellent. I really enjoy that. This is hard to make freeze-dried food that actually also really feels like mashed potatoes. And I really enjoy this. You can feel the mashed potatoes, you can taste the bacon. There's also some carrots in here. And it's just easy to eat, and I just love it. I think this is a great meal. I'm trying it with some bread here. It's even better than with spaghetti bolognese. This is just a great meal, and one thing I love about mashed potatoes when you're out there, it just works very well. You get very full. Your stomach get very full of it. Not full of it, but full. You get this really full feeling, and I just enjoy that. That's a great meal. So I'm just gonna have a little sip here of my drink. It smells really delicious too. Okay, so first thing, the meal. The what was it called? The Echo meal with the spaghetti bolognese. Great meal. You have two kind of drinks. You have nice food. You have bread. You have some snack. This is excellent, and I think it's a great meal. I really enjoyed it. The only little thing is I would have liked a cup of coffee afterwards, but this is in the small department. The different kind of heating. This is a great addition. Look at the size of this. This you can take with you. You can heat your food. You can heat boiled water for hot beverage or anything like that. Excellent little thing, doesn't weigh a thing. Great addition. I think it's really cool. Biofuel, up to 10 times it can be used. What's not to like? It took 8 minutes and afterwards 10 minutes for it to dry up. I think that's an okay time, so no worries there. You could also actually just boil water in here and put it up in here and use it as a standard way of making the food. The other way is the tactical back heater. It worked excellent. It took a little time. Maybe I should have given it a little bit more to get it even more hot, but it worked excellent. No problems in how it works, and it can be reused 10 times, and you just need one of these. Now this is a little hot. This is what is down in the bottom of it. You need one of these actually, of course, to make it work, but excellent addition. So that's it for the tactical food packs for this time. The 8-hour meals, 2 different kinds of ways to heat up. I just love their things, and I hope I'll be getting back with even more of their meals and some of their new things, because I think they're really original in the way they do things. Okay, until later, until I'll be back or something like that. See you later. Bye.